Hey everybody, this is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Today I've got my 98 Nissan Frontier here with a 4-cylinder in it, and we're going to be replacing the driver's side headlamp bulb. Alright, just push down on this little release tab, just like that, and pull straight out on the connector, and that'll release it. Alright, now you got this little clip here that holds the headlamp bulb in place. Just put your middle finger up underneath there like that, pull up, or your ring finger or your index finger, whichever one, and pull out just like that. Then you can grab your bulb and pull straight out. Now when you put your new bulb in, be very careful. Do not touch the glass with your bare skin, okay? If you can, wear some nitrile gloves just to help to kind of prevent that from happening. Even with nitrile gloves, don't touch the glass, okay? And put your new bulb in. It's basically just reverse procedure. Take your clip, pull it up like that until it clicks into place. And this is what it looks like from the top side there. You see that that little clip goes into these little grooves, and there's little claws back there that hold the wire in place. Take your connector and give it a little tug, make sure it's locked in. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please see the entire description of this video for more important information about this. And thank you again.